climb inside the 2010 Ford Ranger. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a 2.3-liter four-cylinder engine. Top features include air conditioning, a tachometer, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, a front bench seat, skid plates, a trailer hitch, and more. Ford ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. With electronic stability control supplementing mechanical systems, you'll maintain precise command of the roadway. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, providing you peace of mind with detailed information. We have a skilled and knowledgeable sales staff with many years of experience satisfying our customers' needs. We are here to help you.